All right, see Lindelof videos, sum of two cubes. So if we have two cubes, a cubed plus b cubed, first you just have to memorize this a little bit, and then you just apply it, and we'll take a look what that means in just a second. We'll get a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that's what we have. That's what we're going to start with. Let's start with something that's pretty simple, and you can take a look at what it look. So we're asked to factor. So we're taking the SAT, and we're asked to factor x cubed plus 125. One thing that's going to help is that you recognize some perfect cubes, and obviously x cubed is a perfect cube, but so is 125. So I tell a lot of calculus students the easiest way to do things sometimes is just to rewrite it. So I'm going to rewrite this x cubed. I'm going to rewrite it as x cubed plus, if you don't mind, I'm going to rewrite 125 as 5 to the third power. And if you do 5 to the third power, you do 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So there we have it. And then just what smart people do is they make lists. So I'm going to say, okay, a is equal to x, b is equal to 5. And then I'm going to use my favorite, fit bug, fill in the blanks. So I'm going to take what I know from here, and I'm going to fill it in to here. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to fill in the blanks here and here. So what does that look like for us? Well, it looks like this. It says the first thing we're going to do is a plus b. Well, a is x, b is 5, so we'll do x plus 5 times a squared. Well, a squared is x squared, so x squared is x squared. Then it says minus a times b, which is x times 5, and we know that x times 5 is equal to 5x, right? So 5x. And then it says to square the value of b. b was 5, so plus 5 squared, and 5 squared, of course, is 25. And that's it. This is completely factored. The really good news is that the second piece that you get here is totally unfactorable. Why is that good news? It means you don't have to factor anymore. Let's do one more and see if you can figure this one out. So let's factor this. Factor x cubed plus 27. So again, I'm just going to rewrite this. I'm going to say, you know what, x cubed is the same as x cubed. I'm just getting a visual for myself. And I also know that 3 cubed is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. I'm going to identify a and b. A is equal to x. B is equal to 3. And now fill in the blanks. Right? So it says a plus b, so x plus 3. Then it says 8, right? I'm just using this up here. A squared minus ab plus b squared. So I get a squared is x squared, so x squared minus 3x plus 9. And I'm finished. So what are my clues here? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. First, identify the pattern. Second, memorize the formula. Then identify a and b. And then fill in the blanks. If you do this, you're going to crush this. And if not, it's actually really just a pain. So I think that you can do this. I hope that you will. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks. I appreciate you guys.